Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you the paper jam problem in CANON LBP 2900B laser printer black toner. Actually, this is the printer. The customer handed over to me and informing, sir, the system is displaying message, paper jam problem, I'm not able to take printout. So please resolve the problem they have handed over to me. Then after receiving the printer, immediately I come to understand this is a very small problem. The paper got stuck in fuser unit that is in front side. Fuser unit that is in front side. If the paper got stuck into the fuser unit, which is mid of the fuser unit or back side of the fuser unit, means very difficult to take. In that situation, you have to completely remove the printer. Then only you can take the paper out. The same problem I have previously released video how to remove the paper jam problem in CANON LBP 2900B. So if you have any tough paper jam inside, see that video, you can resolve the problem. But in this video, which is very simple paper jam problem, how to solve the paper jam problem, I will explain. First, we will take out the cartridge and keep it carefully. Then I am going to show you where the paper is getting jammed. See here, this is the paper got jammed. This is jam got exactly in sensor itself. This is the sensor. This is the sensor there, which is so this is the sensor. So I am going to remove this paper. This is very simplest way, but anyway, for customer this is very difficult way. For us, very simplest way. So how to take out the paper, I am going to explain. See, use one minus or use one nose plier. You can simply remove the paper. You can simply remove the paper. I am going. That's all. So I have removed the paper. That's all. That's all. This is very simplest problem. Anyway. So most of the people doesn't know the paper got struck either in front of the fuser unit or mid of the fuser unit or back side of the fuser unit. If mid of the fuser unit, back side of the fuser unit, very difficult to take. That time you have to completely open the printer, then only you can take the paper out. But here this is simplest way. Anyway, first you have to see, is there any possibility to remove the paper? Is there any easy way to remove the jammed paper or not? You have to see. If the paper got jammed in front of the fuser unit, you can usually take out using squeezer or nose plier or any minus screwdriver. Using that minus screwdriver, you can easily remove the paper. You can easily remove the paper. Here I did like that only. Okay. If the paper jam message is appearing in your laptop or desktop, please try to see the printer front side. Is it possible to remove the paper or not? It is easy to remove, means simply remove and take the printout. Very difficult means hand out to the service engineer. Or otherwise, I have given a video how to remove the paper jam which is inside the printer. Seeing that, simply you can remove the paper. In that video, I have explained clearly and very perfectly. So seeing that, you can easily remove the paper. I have given a step-by-step approach. So even if you need not be a service engineer, without being a service engineer, you can solve the issue, right? So I am going to keep the cartridge once again. I have placed the cartridge. Then you can connect the printer and take the printout. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you can get immediate intimation and updates. And share these videos to your friends and relatives and neighbors. Let them share to their friends and relatives, neighbors. Let it goes by chain. If you have any new idea, please specify new problem. Please specify in comment. Seeing that comment, I can help you to resolve the problem. Okay. Have a nice day. We will see in the next problem, next solution with the solution in next video. Have a nice day. Welcome.